Welcome back to hazzbroshide. Tonight on our challenge, shooting indoors, we're going to shoot Nibs challenge, and that's cutting a playing card in half. I'm going to try to one-up Nibs, and I'm going to try to Nibs. Usually he takes some little twist off my challenges and adds another dimension to it, so I'm going to shoot his another way. I'm going to shoot the playing card sideways, so like this to the screen. And so he's proposed, trying to cut that card in 50 shots or less. I'm going to try to cut it in less than that by hitting the edge of it. Now, you'll see down there in the video, you're going to be able to see a little bit from the side of the camera, the angle I put in there, so you can see the card get cut. But to me, it's dead on edge. And so we'll see quite a bit of challenge. I can see a little bit of a shadow the way I got the light going. But I got to kind of guess where the card is. Let's see how I can do. We're shooting our Crosman 1400 tonight. This is one I found locally, and it's just amazing shape. And so we're going to try it, see how well we can do. I don't even remember quite where it hits. All right, I think I hit right. I should have put up a new target in the back of that thing so I could tell where I'm hitting, but we're going to keep going. That's one. Ooh, I moved it. Which means I nicked it. This is a .22 caliber rifle. We're shooting Crosman Piranha pellets in it. Yeah, that was me being a little flinchy. So you load it like a bolt gun, one at a time. Drop them dead in there. Close the bolt. Pump it up. I'm only doing 4 pumps. Should be plenty enough to cut it if I hit it cleanly. Nicked it again. I think I'm starting to see some daylight through it. That would be 3, I believe. We will go to video. I didn't count these pellets out. All right, stand by. I think that's 5. Stand by, I can take a look. Well, I'm glad I went down there and took a look. Sorry about that, but the range camera, target camera was not on. So it is now. And shot, I believe it's 5 shots. There's just 2 hits on the card. That's a tough thing to hit on edge, I'm telling you. I think I see a little more daylight after that one. You guys will know more than me when you see that video. I hate to waste a shot. I think I know about where it's hitting, but I'm just not 100% sure. So I'm going to put one into that blue tape that's holding that card on there. See if I can see exactly where I'm hitting. Yeah, it looks like maybe just slightly right, slightly low. Not much, it's pretty close, I think. All right, I'm going to take a quick look Well, I'm hitting it. I'm not hitting a consistent line. And when it does hit the edge of it, it's cutting. Close to the edge of it, I should say. It's cutting, oh, I don't know, 1/2 inch long slot through it. If I could only hit it truly on edge, moving around just a little bit the way it's held in the cardboard, I think I do better. Ooh, that did a lot of damage. Gotta take a look. Another pretty good hit. Just above another slot it cut on it. And you put a couple more in that area and it'll cut it. Ooh, I hit it again. I think I'm starting to figure out where to aim, I hope. The card's turned a little bit on me now though. Getting closer. All right, you gotta take a look. All right, you see on the camera what I just did there? That has 1/8 of an inch left of that card. It's cut almost all the way through. I just got to hit it one spot that turned on edge. I'm telling you what, that's near impossible, but I'm going to try. Ooh, I'm not sure. I got to look. Ta-da! There it is. That one, last one, cut that card right in half. So I was hitting them, trying to go through the edge of it like that, and finally did. Got that front edge and cut it right in half. So we'll count those up on video. You'll see the score, and this is a lot of fun. Thanks, Nibs. It's a good challenge. Hopefully you don't mind me turning it on edge, because I'm really confident I just beat your score. Just all in good fun. If you like this, check out Walnut and Steel and his channel and shoot the card contest. It's just a lot of fun. Pellet or BB, 7 yards, rifle or pistol, and it's a lot of fun. You too can cut the cards just like that.